Now we start with the next autonomous event, I.M.A.G.E. I.M.A.G.E stands for Image Mapping Autonomous Generic Explorer. This event is a computer vision event. Now what do we mean by a computer vision event? A computer vision event is an event in which a bot has to process an image and then move in the arena or whatever task it has to do. So we see what task this event we have to do. We have to build a camera aided autonomous robot which is able to navigate the arena, avoiding the obstacles and passing through various checkpoints before finally reaching the endpoint. Now we move on to the arena. This is a wooden arena painted black. That means this portion and this portion is painted black. These red color circles are called checkpoints, and these blue colored obstacles here are actually white colored in the arena, and these will have a height of 10 centimeter. Now this area is the starting area for your bot, and this 30 cross 30 size red colored square is your endpoint. So now you will place your bot in the starting area and then leave it. The bot will take an image from an overhead camera, process it and then start moving in the arena, and will have to cover these two checkpoints and then reach the endpoint. For moving, it should not touch any of these obstacles. Now what possible path can it take? It can move like this, this and this, a very short path, or it might even move like this, this and this, again a very optimized path. However, an unoptimized path would be like if it first reaches an obstacle, then retreats back, reaches the next obstacle, then again retreats back, then again reaches the next checkpoint, covers it and then moves forward, then by mistake reaches the end point, so retreats back, goes to the checkpoint, then tries to reach to the end point. Now we come on to the obstacles. The obstacles will be white in color, as I had already told. The top face would be of only 5 different shapes: square, rectangle, circular, T-shaped or L-shaped. The number of obstacles will not be disclosed and may change during the different rounds. The maximum dimension of the top face of the obstacle would be 40 cross 40, while the minimum dimension would be 10 centimeter cross 10 centimeter. In case of a circular obstacle, the diameter may vary from 10 centimeter to 40 centimeter. As I have already told, the height of an obstacle is 10 centimeter. These obstacles will not be fixed to the arena floor. The checkpoints are red patches of 10 centimeter diameter, and these are stuck to the arena floor. Please note, these do not have any height. They are actually stuck to the arena floor. The number of checkpoints may vary from 2 to 4. The endpoint is a 30 cross 30 centimeter red colored square, and the location of the endpoint will also be not disclosed until the start of the event. Now we will talk about the robot specifications. The robot should be of 25 centimeter cross 25 centimeter cross 100 centimeter. The 100 centimeter value is the height of the robot. The participants can use ready-made gearboxes or bases. As for the camera will be provided by the Robotix team, and you are also allowed to bring your own camera. We will also provide you a computer in which you will have to install all the softwares that you require. Moving on to the penalties and timeouts. The penalty will be imposed if you touch an obstacle or if you don't cover a checkpoint. A maximum of 3 timeouts will be allowed of 3 minutes each. A penalty will be imposed for each restart. At the end of timeout, the bot will be placed at the starting arena. If the robot passes partially through the checkpoint would be assumed to be covered. The same rule applies to the endpoint. At one time, only one robot will be allowed in the arena. The maximum number of participants are 4 per team. The camera and computer will be provided by us, and you are also allowed to bring your own camera and computer. We will also provide you a stand to mount the camera, but it is not necessary that you mount the camera over it. You are allowed to have the camera on your robot.